While the community organizations are critical to us making sure that Torontonians have access to the really important services that they need. They may be social supports, it may be health supports, maybe just how to connect in their community. Without community organizations, we wouldn't be able to do this work.
Tansi, my name is Shirley Bourgeois, and I'm the program lead at Call Auntie. Call Auntie is an Indigenous-led low-barrier clinic. We are interdisciplinary, which means that we work with midwives, nurses, nurse practitioners, doctors, and community health workers to be able to provide access into the broader healthcare system to folks who have a currently complex relationship with the healthcare system. Having our services be relevant to the Indigenous community in the city. It's really important for us to have Indigenous providers. I myself, an Indigenous exemption midwife. We have Indigenous family docs, pediatricians, our community health workers, and then allies who work really closely with us to be able to create services that are both culturally safe and that people are willing to engage with.
I'm Ainsley Chapman, and I'm the Executive Director of Evangel Hell Mission. We work in the field of housing and poverty relief. We've been around since 1913. We started as a small soup kitchen, and then over the decades, we evolved into a lot more comprehensive services. We really want people not just to see their home as four walls and a safe space, but see their home as a community. It's not enough just to serve food or to have clean clothes. If you don't have friends, if you don't have a social network, if you don't have a community, nothing that we do really matters. That's what gives people purpose and connection, and that's what gives people hope to wake up and, try again the next day.
My name is Patty Pettigrew. I'm a member of the Algonquins of Pikwakanagan First Nation. I'm the founder and executive director of Thunder Woman Healing Lodge Society. Original mandate was to establish a healing lodge, only healing lodge in Ontario for Indigenous women, and we're the third across Canada for Indigenous women involved in the correctional system.
Thunder Woman Healing Lodge Society provides housing to Indigenous women and their families who are actively on probation, bail, and parole. Some of the housing options that we have for community members include permanent housing, supportive housing, independent living with supports, and housing that builds healing, that supports the reunification of family, and that brings community together.
My name is Vicky LaBranche. I'm the Special Projects Manager, and my organization is Misway Beak Aboriginal Employment and Training. We were given our name by an elder named Jim Wendigo, and it means the ripple effect. So if you envision a pebble being dropped in water, and the ripple effect that it creates is what we're trying to do within the Indigenous community. So we provide employment and training initiatives for the Indigenous community of the whole GTA.
They help out in any which way that they possibly can. There's a great support system here, great staff. The establishment itself is very accommodating.
We create opportunities for the Indigenous community to move forward in either a pathway to employment or a pathway to training. We essentially try to break down the barriers and or doors that may prohibit them from seeking what they want to do going forward, and really trying to, better the community as a whole.
My name is Anne Lequang, and I'm the Executive Director of Canadian Connections, Welcoming Refugees Home. We are a national charity that was founded in 2021. And to date, we have provided programs and services to over 6,000 refugees from over 20 countries. Our mission is to provide low-barrier, meaningful settlement support to refugees that are making Canada their new home.
Canadian Connection was the first organization that that visited us in the hotel. They provided us basic things that we needed at that time. Laptops so that we can have access to the training that we didn't have access to learn about culture, workplace, about the Canada and everything.
We believe that the work that we do allows them to settle quicker and allows them to be able to live their true lives.
My name is Dwayne O'Connor, and I am the Executive Director of Mennonite New Life Center of Toronto. So our primary goal is mostly settlement and integration into Canada. So we are looking at language services. We look at any sort of settlement documentation, paperwork, and assimilation into the Canadian culture.
And then continue to grow up to pre-employment supports, employment supports, career bridging, language instruction, and Aurora House, which is a transitional home for people who have experienced gender-based violence or human trafficking here in Ontario.
Most of our work is done by actually connecting everyone, and once we find out what their needs are, we help them find a way to actually survive here, to do well here, and to integrate into the community better.
Receiving the Toronto Community Champion Award was really a surprise for us. We did not know that we were nominated, so it was a really nice surprise.
I feel incredibly honored to be here with all of my colleagues, all of us working together to make such substantive change and improve the lives of people across Toronto.
I think it's quite a statement to actually see that our staff and our clients are actually getting recognized for what they do.
To just be recognized for the contributions and the work that we do within the community.
A huge morale boost to know that the work that we are doing is recognized and that it's valuable to the community.
I'm really honored. I feel really honored. I have wonderful staff. They work really hard and they're really dedicated. The City of Toronto has been a wonderful ally, very supportive.
It was really heartwarming to see a number of Indigenous agencies before the selection panel to be able to really recognize the hard work that they're doing and the heart work that they're doing as well within our community.
This award and recognition is important for their frontline staff, important for organizations to know that they matter, that they're not forgotten. Despite everything else that's happening in the world, they remain a critical part of communities and the response and support that people need.